What consideration should be taken when combining components of different languages? How to approach this kind of tasks? In this paper, we deal with this issue and suggest ways to do it right. In this project that we did for a customer, an I3C device was added to an SoC that has a long-standing full Specman E verification environment. For the verification of this device, we had a UVM I3C verification IP. We look at 4 options to implement the sequences that configure and execute the I3C of the duty. The first option is to translate sequences from SystemVerilog to E and run them as E sequences. In the second option, sequences would run as UVM SystemVerilog and only memory access will be ported. The last 2 options were to write the I3C sequences from scratch, either in E or in C. In the table, we compare these options against list of criteria. If the suite is the most important issue, as was for our customer, translation could be a good choice. E to SystemVerilog translation was done by a pattern that could convert UVM SystemVerilog sequences into E. We had to deal with synchronization while E and SystemVerilog are co-running in the simulation. As can be seen in the bottom figure, we used E methods ports to synchronize event from SystemVerilog to E and vice versa, and to send data from E monitors to SystemVerilog scoreboard. Here we can see code example of a method that is called in E and is being executed as a function within UVM code. Another option is to use TLM ports, which is functionally equivalent but is more general and can be used in other languages as well. For conclusion, combining a component with a different language into an existing verification environment requires a detailed examination and can be different from case to case. Some code can be translated or rewritten in the other language, like sequences. Nevertheless, special synchronization and data transfer are required for aspects that are not fully covered by standard library as UVM multi-language open architecture. Thank you very much.